This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a bed liner, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, dusk-sensing headlights, adjustable driver pedals, and aluminum wheels. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Landers Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2082 West Poplar Avenue in Collierville.